Look, everyone. Look at this paper. Ethan got an F on his math test. That is a very bad grade. Give it back to me, Leo. Please. I worked very hard on that test. I am so sad right now. No! I want to show everyone the big red F. You are so slow at doing math. Hey! Stop it right now, Leo! No, I wasn't, Emma. Yes, you were. Give it back. It's not yours. Give that paper back to my brother. It is just a funny joke. No, Leo, it is not a funny joke. You are being very mean to him. Stop it now! I didn't do anything. Laughing at friends is a bad thing to do. It is okay, Emma. He is right. I am very bad at math. No, Ethan. Do not listen to him. You are a very smart boy. I am? But I got a bad grade today. It's okay, Ethan. I did not understand the math lesson at all. That is totally okay, Ethan. We can go home and practice together. We can go home as she clapped us together, as she lightly claps her hands together. Ha ha ha! Practice will not help him. He will always get an F.
What is going on here, everyone?
Please be quiet and sit down in your chairs.
Miss Sarah, Leo took Ethan's test paper. He's laughing at Ethan's bad grade, but he shouldn't be.
I understand why that makes you upset, Emma.
It's just not fair.
Let's talk about how we can handle this together. Oh, I see. Leo, is that true?
Yes, Miss Sarah. But look at his paper. He got an F on the math test. Look, an F. I told you so.
Leo, please come here to my desk. I want to show you all something special. Look at this old brown notebook, everyone.
Wow. There are so many red marks in it. Every page has a big red X.
I did, Ethan. This was my old math notebook. I used it when I was a little girl.
You? But you are our teacher. You are very smart, and you know everything.
Thank you, Leo. But I was not always smart. I made many, many mistakes too. Making mistakes does not mean you are not smart. Mistakes show that you are trying to learn. We learn from our mistakes to get much better. Every smart person in the world makes mistakes.
Really? So I can be good at math too?
Yes, Ethan. Of course you can. If you keep trying and never give up.
Now, Leo, what do you think about your joke?
It wasn't very nice, Miss Sarah. I'm sorry.
I feel very bad about it now, Mrs. Sarah. I will help you with math if you want. Thank you, Leo. I would like that very much. See? We are a great team now. We can all study math together after school. I feel so happy now. I will try my best.
That is the wonderful spirit, Ethan.
Always be kind to each other, everyone.
Did you like our school story today? What do you do when you make a mistake?
Tell us your answer in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.